And also we have the property there, no, which is right now is Balili property, no, which is not being used. And also the other question is the Mega Food Hub, right? This is a project of Department of Agriculture. As you know, in Cebu, we are so food insecure. We don't have a post-harvest facility. That's why the inflation rate now is very high, 10.8%. And the number one affected by the inflation is the agriculture, because we don't have a post-harvest facility here. If we had one, we would be able to put all our harvest in one place, and we can distribute all throughout the province. But what's really happening now is we have vegetables in the south, and we don't have any in the north. We have deficiency. If we have a mega food hub like what we are building in Naga, what we will be building in Naga, it would be very easy for both north and south to access food. So we would be able to address food security here in the provinces.
For MTV Philippines, Naga, again, as the government mentioned, is a property of the province. It's located outside the urban center. It's also one of our visions to help decongest the urban center.
Very simple answer, of course, yes. So I guess one of the key points that the leaders again raised is how to increase the class of trade. And Cebu being at the crossroads of the trade route, and of course the specific products that Cebu has expertise in. And if we put halal in, definitely Malaysia will be one of the key countries that will be very keen to import food from Cebu. Upon above that, of course, the BIMYAGA, I think, gives us tremendous opportunities. You have 4 countries involved, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, of course, the need. And I think the leaders themselves agree, one of the key components that this can actually promote is SMEs, and of course, a more resilient and trade-ready, especially in postal areas. So we look forward to having this project to fruition in 2041, and of course for the food center to be fully operational, of course, then we can start looking at how to trade.
Memorandum of Understanding that marks the beginning of a shared vision of an integrated government and economic center in Naga, Cebu, that we believe will be truly transformative for the province. I want to emphasize 2 headline components right at the onset because they sit at the very initiative. First, the Satellite Provincial Government Center and Sports Hub. We envision a consolidated complex that will bring together administrative offices and frontline services under one roof. The goal is simple to put significance to make the government service accessible, seamless, and efficient to every Cebuano. Second, and equally important, the food security and handling facility. It's about protecting our